Hi, I'm Captain Bob Davies, once again bringing you up close and inside the best deals on Florida real estate. Today our travels bring us to 9548 Applin Circle in the waterfront boating community of South Gulf Cove. Just an absolutely amazing home, 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, an office or den. Built in 2015, over 2,200 square feet under air pool, right on the waterfront, upgrades galore. Come on in, let's take a look. Just an absolutely amazing home, as you can see. Once again, I'm Captain Bob Davies, and you can reach me online at buyhomesbyboat.com or direct at 941-468-4485. Thanks and have a great day.